Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. From home, this is where I share update with you on everything related to building, construction, infrastructure development, and engineering works. Please always subscribe to our channel and share our videos so that we get more audience to watch our videos and also to benefit from the knowledge we are sharing with you. Today I'll be giving you the prices of some selected building materials here in October 2025 in Nigeria. Today I'll be starting with cement. Cement in Nigeria are packed in 50 kg. The common retail package for cement in Nigeria is 50 kg. And we have a lot of cement manufacturer in Nigeria, Dangote, Elephant, Bua, Magna. There are actually a lot of them. And the prices of this material ranges between 10,000 naira to 10,500 naira. This is the retail price for this material. This price excludes transportation of the material, and also it also depends on your locality. But commonly, this price are the price you can get a bag of cement in Nigeria. Next, we are going to reinforcement. Just as you know, reinforcement play a very significant role in concrete works. Is what give the concrete the strength um, to perform its actions, to perform its responsibility. So due to its tensile strength. So reinforcement in Nigeria, popularly called the iron rod, comes in different sizes. Commonly size available in the market, 8 mm, 10 mm, 12 mm, 16 mm, 20 mm, 25 mm, and 32 mm. On extreme is 32 mm. This is not commonly available, but popularly used are 10, 12, 16 mm. So the prices of this in Nigeria here we have the so-called local reinforcement, which is the substandard reinforcement, and also we have the high quality one, which is also called the TMT. So for the local, which is the substandard reinforcement, the iron rod, the tons of it is commonly sell for 770,000 naira. So and for the number of lengths that you have, for instance, in 12 mm, you'll be having 93 lengths. For 16 mm, you're having 53 lengths, and so on. So the for a ton, which is 1 ton of this reinforcement, you could get it for 770,000 naira. It also depends on your area. For some places, it might be more than 770,000. It can be as high as 820,000, 850,000 naira, depending on where you are. But on a standard distributor um, shops, you can get for as 770,000 naira. That is for the substandard reinforcement iron rod. Why for the TMT, also we have the high quality and also the not as high quality for the TMT. For the uh, the one that is lower quality of the TMT, you can get a tons of it for as low as 970,000 naira, while the high quality TMT goes for about 1,020,000 naira. So the next on material we'll also be considering is our marine board. So for our formwork, and generally formwork plays a significant role. It's what providing most for concrete. So any shapes of concrete that you want to have on your site is actually the formwork that do the magic. So for marine board, if you are opting for marine board, you can get marine board for as low as 24,000 naira, 25,000 naira, Also, in the market, there are a lot of qualities of marine board in the market. So on the list you can get is 24,000 naira for marine board. While on the other hand, if you want to use our conventional wood, either softwood or hardwood, for depending on the quality, you can also get as low as 5,000 naira, 5,500, 6,000 naira for our conventional wood that's being cut in our forest and sawn in sizes for your formwork. That is for the plank. That is, I'm referring to 1 by 12, popularly 25 mm by 300 mm in size. So the next we are also considering is our blocks. So for our blocks, we have the ordinary blocks, and also we also have the concrete blocks. The concrete blocks simply is just the stone dust concrete blocks, while the ordinary is just the cement and sand one. So for 4 you can get as low as 500, 600 naira per blocks. For 6 inches, which is the 150 mm. So for ordinary, you can get it as low as 700 naira, while for the concrete, which is the stone dust, for 6 inches 150 mm blocks, you can get it for 800 naira. Now for our 9 inches, for the ordinary, which is the cement and sand, just the cement and sand blocks, so you can get that for 800 naira. While for the concrete, which is the stone dust 9 inches, the 9 inches is the 230 mm blocks, you can get it for 950 naira. That is for blocks. Now the next item we are considering is our granite. So either half inch, 3/4, 3/4 ups or 3/4 downs. So per tons, this is being sold per tons. Per tons of our granite, which is part of our aggregate now, is the selling for 11,000 naira. This cost exclude haulage. So depending on how many tons you are buying, so probably if you are buying 20 tons, 11,000 times 20. If you are buying 30 tons, 11,000 naira times 30 tons. Then you discuss the cost of haulage with the truck drivers, and this is usually charged in related to distance. So the farther you go, the more expensive the cost of haulage is usually is. For sand, for sharp sand, commonly the Chinese truck sharp sand can go as low as 200,000 naira, and it's usually 30 tons. So, but it can be higher in some other places. So depending also on the distance that this material is going. So these are some selected material that we'll be considering for this particular episode. In our next episode, we will list some other building materials and also give you the price. If you need more inquiry, please feel free to call the number on the screen. We'll be more than willing to provide you an assistance. Thank you. Whenever you think of building, always engage professional. Thank you.